Hey, what's up guys? Gian here of Gadget Pilipinas. Welcome back to the channel. So today we're going to give you guys a quick overview and unboxing of this product that was sent to us by Asus ROG. This is the ROG Phone 6 Diablo Immortal Edition. So we're going to be unboxing this. This is in a collaboration with Blizzard, with Asus. And yeah, we're going to show you what's inside the box and why I think this one is special, especially to those who are actually into Diablo Immortal and to the Diablo franchise. Let's get started. Alright, so now what we have here is the retail box of the ROG Phone 6 Diablo Immortal Edition. No, very limited lang yung nilabas no, ni ROG na ganito. And as you can see, it's very Diablo specific na design. On the left side, you can find all of the classes that you can use when playing the game. Nasa inyo yan kung ano gusto nyo piliin. Now, going now to the back of the retail box, as you can see, this is in collaboration with Blizzard. Everything no, from the design of the retail box down to everything that is installed inside the ROG Phone 6. Of course, merong say dito si Blizzard. Now, for those of you who are not familiar, yung pinaka-inspiration ng retail box niya is basically the Horadric Cube. No? And kita nyo naman, no, pagbukas pa lang natin, no, yung box pa lang ng phone na to is actually made of quote-unquote the World Stone, which is very pivotal no, in the lore of Diablo. Not just in Diablo Immortal, but also the whole of Diablo series. No, now, ano pa ba ang makikita dito? No? Yan, so ito na. This is actually a case no, of the map, which I'll show you later. And inside this very small box, you will find some accessories, which I will also be exploring in a little bit. Now, this time, this is the phone box. No? And as I mentioned earlier, it is made, or it's inspired, no? From the World Stone. We'll get into that later as well. And that's basically everything inside the box, no? Wala nang iba pa. And now, let me show you this pretty cool accessory which basically contains the charger and the Type-C to Type-C cable of the phone. Interestingly, no, kapag in-spread mo yung kabilang part niyan is that it basically hides something, especially when you shine an ultraviolet light on it. And as you can see right here, it is a pouch, you know, where you can also put the phone in if you want to and stow it inside your bag. Now, i-wrap muna natin yan and let's put it on the side because I'm going now to show you something inside the box, no, yung smaller box no, that we have right here. Now, this box actually contains quote-unquote a Fahir's light. No? It's an ultraviolet light na kapag mamaya, no, I will demo to you guys, kapag tinanlawan mo yung pinaka-map, it's gonna show you some specific points no, in map na kumbaga, it will react on ultraviolet light. Now, unfortunately, the one that we have right here does not have a battery, but I'll be using a different ultraviolet light later on kapag dinemo ko to sa inyo. Now, this is the World Stone, or also known the phone box. Now, this is where the phone is in. Now, the inspiration behind is very obvious, no? On this phone is Diablo Immortal and the Diablo lore, no? And as you can see, no, from the design of the box, from the design of the pouch, design of the case, which you will see later on, it's very Diablo Immortal. And in fact, no, if you take a look at the SIM ejector tool, it is what they call Immortality Ejector Tool. It's, as I mentioned, again, it's very, very Diablo Immortal inspired. And again, fans of the franchise will definitely enjoy collecting this one. You know, apart from being a very powerful phone, you get to enjoy, you know, the flair of having a device and having a collection that is very close to your heart, which is Diablo series. Now, inside this box is where you will find the Shield Blessing Arrow case. Now, this is actually an exclusive case only for the ROG Phone 6 Diablo Immortal Edition, and it features a geometric relief of the teleport, if you're familiar with that. And it has a very unique effect as well when you shine the Fahir's light on this one as well. Right, so that's pretty much everything inside the World Stone phone box, where again we saw the ROG Phone 6 and as well as the Immortality ejector, SIM ejector tool, and the Shield Blessing Arrow case. Ngayon, obviously, kita nyo naman na yung design talaga ng phone na ito is really for the fans of the Diablo series. On the right side of the phone, you can find the sleep and wake button. The same with the volume plus and minus buttons. No? On the left side naman is you will just see there the SIM tray. Now, we will use the Immortality SIM ejector tool to eject the SIM tray just to show you what you can find inside the box. Autofocus there. Yeah. Alright. Come on, let's focus. There you go. Yan. Let's put it back. And, syempre, kabit naman natin dito yung pinaka-case, no? Again, the case is what we call the Shield Blessing Arrow case. Itsura pa lang, di ba? Parang it's really looks really good. Now, in terms of UI implementations, it's also specific to Diablo Immortal. So, kompleto yan, no? From themed animations, live wallpapers, charging animations, lahat yan, no? Specific yan na design, no? For Diablo Immortal. Alright, so ito na yung pinaka-map of Sanctuary. No? Gagamitin natin ngayon yung Fahir's light, but this time we're not going to use exactly what came inside the box. I'm using a different ultraviolet light here. But as you can see, kapag tinanlawan natin yung specific points of the map, there will be some portions na magre-react dito. No? And that is a really cool touch. No? I'm not sure if mayroong kinalaman yan sa specific points, no, in the map, in the actual game. But maybe ito yung heat points, no? Heat points, I mean, ito yung lugar na mayroong towns, no? Or quests that you can just basically go to. Now, the case also, the arrow case or the Shield Blessing case also has this feature, but it's not something naman na bibit-bitin mo lagi yung ultraviolet light mo para pakita sa mga friends mo, di ba? It's really more of a collector's item, a novelty item for you, no? Now, I highly recommend that you use this pouch, no, to put your phone, also your charger and your cable, para nang sa ganoon kapag i-stow mo yung device mo inside your bag para hindi siya magasgas, you have this one. Now, as I mentioned earlier, as you can see, it's very themed, no? Para sa Diablo Immortal, kapag pinukas o tinurn on, tinurn off mo yung display niya, it will have that sound that is reminiscent of the menus of Diablo Immortal. The same thing with the themes, the same thing with some notification sounds and also ringtones. Everything is, themed after Diablo Immortal. That's some alarm sound, no? Parang feeling ko you're being haunted kapag yan ang alarm mo. Not something you would use though if you're sleeping with someone. And there you have it. This has been our unboxing of the Diablo Immortal Edition of the ROG Phone 6. If you want to know more about this, you can head on to ASUS website. Link is in the description box below. And if you want to see our review of the ROG Phone 6 and ROG Phone 6 Pro, you can go and check it out on our website. Of course, links are also in the description. Again, guys, this has been Gian of Gadget Pilipinas, and I'll catch you on the next one. Bye!